How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Mark 1 build. Today we're going to be changing out this terrible broken door handle and removing the stickers of the Mark 1. So what you're going to need to replace the door handle for the Mark 1 is a thin flathead screwdriver, a normal star Phillips head screwdriver, or a big flat screwdriver. So first thing you want to do is open up the door and locate your screw inside here. Now this one, normal star wouldn't fit there, so I got the big flat out to remove that. And then we're gonna remove this plate in the front to reveal the screws behind. So grab your small flat screwdriver, push it in the end here, wedge it in and push in and lift out. That will reveal your screw right there. So grab your star screwdriver, and it just came out without taking out the screw from the door, but this is sheared off, snapped here, as you can see there. I don't know if you'll be able to see the screw that connects it in the door in there, so you take that out and this part will come out there. Right, so we need to take out this screw. So you'll see a little notch here, so you just stick your screwdriver in, pull it back there, and then you can release the handle in there. Alright, so next up you're gonna grab your new handle. Don't forget about your new door seals, because the old ones will be hard and brittle maybe. And we just put the new door seals in there. Right, and you want to seat them correctly all around. Now that you've seated them all correctly, you can see it all looks like one. So now you just put it in that way, bottom first in, and the little notch at the end, pull it back, slides in, push forward, and then you put in your screw here, line him up, tighten it. Now that you got everything lined up, just put your screw in. Don't tighten it up too much, and we're gonna move on the inside and put the screw back in there. Alright, so now that you got your screw all tightened up in there, you can go ahead and properly tighten this down and make sure everything is nice and snug. Here we go. Get your cover, put that in there first and bend it slightly so it shifts in the end, and there you go. Oh, and one more thing, door handle is done. Look at that, much better. Alright, so time to take the stickers off the car. All you're gonna need is your heat gun and some time, or if you don't have a heat gun, then you can always park your car in the sun for about an hour or two and then remove out all the stickers. Let's get de-stickering. And just like that, all the stickers are off the car. Left a little bit of a outline and a sticky residue, but once we polish it up, maybe give it a nice machine polish, it should all start looking good, shining well. And I did try a little bit of normal hand polish right here. It did help somewhat, but it needs a good machine polish for it to get right. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.